Children, till now we learned what are the different types of angles, and angles are measured in degrees. Even we learned that we use protractor to measure an angle. So now we will learn how to measure an angle using a protractor, or how to draw an angle. Even we will learn how to draw an angle using protractor. So first of all, let us know more about the protractor. Children, here is the model of a protractor. In this protractor, if you will observe, there are two scales. One scale is having the marking starting from 0 to 180 degree inside, and the other scale has the marking starting from 0 to 180 degree in the outside. So this is called as the inner scale, and the markings that are present outside to it is called as the outer scale of the protractor. So the shape of the protractor is a semicircle, where this point is called as the center of the circle. Even if you observe very carefully, we have a horizontal line at the bottom of the protractor, which is called as the baseline of the protractor. Okay, now if you will observe this protractor carefully, you see here we have the inner scale starting from 0 in the right side of the center of the protractor, whereas the outer scale reading starts from 0 in the left side of the center of the protractor. Okay, so these are the certain details which you should know about the protractor. Now, after knowing these details, we will learn how to measure an angle. So children, now I will show how to measure an angle using a protractor. So all of you observe very carefully and see what steps I am following to measure the angle. So first step is, what you will do is, first of all you will try to place the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. So here I am trying to place the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle, and slowly I will try to adjust my protractor in such a way that the base line of the protractor will coincide with any one of the arm of the angle. So here I am adjusting the center of the protractor. Now slowly I will adjust the protractor in such a way the base line of the protractor is along one of the arm of the angle. So here if you will see, I have already adjusted this base line is along the arm of the angle. Now what I will do, always remember, whenever the base line is along the one of the arm of the angle is in the right side of the center, then what we will do, we will follow the inner scale. We will see the readings of the inner scale. Now let us read the inner scale until we reach the other arm where it is marking on the or touching the protractor. Let's see the readings. Here we have 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, and it's below 70 degree. So carefully we will observe at what point the other arm of the angle is touching the protractor. So here it is 60 degree, then here we have 65, then we have 66 degree. So the other arm is at 66. It is touching the protractor at 66 degree. So here the angle is 66 degree. So how will we write the measurement of this angle? We will first write the name of the angle. The angle is MNO. It's the angle MNO, and it is equal to how much? 66 degrees. Understood, children? Now let us measure this angle. Children, tell me what type of an angle it is. It is an obtuse angle. So what we will do first we will try to keep the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle, and then we will try to adjust the protractor in such a way that the base of the protractor will coincide or will be along one of the arm. So suppose I am trying to keep the protractor like this. This is the protractor and this is the center of the protractor. I am trying to keep the center of the protractor here. Okay. Now one of the arm, here is the arm that is along the base of the protractor. Okay. The other arm is not along the base. So whichever arm is along the base of the protractor, you try to adjust it. Now you see, when the base is along the, when the base line is along the one of the arm and the base, left side of the base line is along the arm, then we will see which reading. We will consider the outer scale. We will see the reading in the outer scale. Now one by one let us see the reading. At what point the second arm is touching, at what point the second arm is touching the protractor. Now let us see the reading. Here we have 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and it is not even 130. So below 120. Here we have 125, 26 and 27. So the angle here is 127 degrees. Okay children. So how will you write the measurement of this angle? First we will write the name of the angle. The angle is KLM is equal to how much? 127 degrees. So children, this is the way how you will measure an angle. Now I will show you how to draw an angle.